In regional news, China's latest policy paper signals a strategic shift in its approach to Latin America and the Caribbean, promising deeper economic, diplomatic, and developmental ties that could reshape the region's future. Our reporter Marlon Samuels is in Beijing, and he filed this report.
The release of China's third policy paper on Latin America and the Caribbean marks a significant milestone in Beijing's engagement with the region. This comprehensive document outlines China's plan to foster closer cooperation through economic investments, infrastructure, projects, and diplomatic partnerships.
For the Caribbean, including Jamaica, the policy paper signals new opportunities for trade, development, and strategic alliances amid shifting global dynamics.
The policy paper emphasizes China's commitment to mutual growth, highlighting initiatives to support sustainable development, technology transfer, and regional stability. It aims to bolster China's influence as a key partner in Latin America and the Caribbean. They could possibly leverage China's increased engagement without compromising their sovereignty or economic independence.
As always, China will firmly support LAC countries in upholding independence and seeking strength through unity. We support LAC countries in exploring modernization paths that suit their national conditions. We hope to see more engagement at all levels, and more sharing of experience on state governance and modernization between our two sides. It is important to note that the relationship between China and LAC countries is mutually beneficial and free from any geopolitical calculations. It does not target any third party, nor should it be subject to interference from any third party. China rejects certain countries' propensity to project its own views onto others and pressure LAC countries to pick sides. China will share with LAC countries the development opportunities generated by Chinese modernization, and help countries in the region enhance the capacity for independent and sustainable development.
For Jamaica, a nation seeking economic diversification and growth, this could mean increased foreign investments and new avenues for trade. Experts say, while there are opportunities, careful navigation is essential to maximize benefits and mitigate risks.
So this is what we're doing here. We're trying to foster and get deeper into this cooperation with China and CELAC. We have adopted the plan of action and a political declaration last May here in Beijing. So the intention of this event is to continue monitoring and following up on the actions for the near future and the concrete areas where we are going to work on a voluntary basis from the CELAC countries. Because of course we have different priorities and different interests, but in the end China is a reliable partner, so the idea is to continue working with them.
And so it's a working document. It's a document that will enable us to attract lots of Chinese investors to come to invest in our region, because in our Sustainable Development Goal objectives of 2030, the Agenda 2030, we believe that this fifth policy paper of China on Latin America and the Caribbean is fitting directly in line with what we have been trying to accomplish over the years.
As China charts a new course in its relationship with Latin America and the Caribbean, the region's leaders will be watching closely, balancing opportunities with caution in this evolving geopolitical landscape. I'm Marlon Samuels in Beijing, China, reporting for the news on PBCJ.